Is your balcony leaking? Fix it with a clear membrane over tiles.
Remedial Membrane's clear waterproofing membrane is a 2-part aliphatic polyurethane that creates a continuous waterproofing membrane on top of the surface, and because it dries clear, it doesn't change the look, whilst making it watertight. The membrane covers the entire surface and returns up the walls, creating a clear tray, removing seams for water ingress. Remedial Membranes has over 20 instructional videos to cover off all elements of what is needed to support you in your efforts of DIY, or has a database if you want someone to do it for you. There are 2 install guides for step-by-step processes. The first is for stone or porous surfaces, and the second is for non-porous surfaces. Request a copy or download your install guide now. For a brief overview of the process, clean the surface, usually with high pressure cleaner and in conjunction with hydrochloric acid where required for efflorescence. Repair the surface by replacing any missing grout, pop tiles or cutting in expansion joints. Allow the surface to dry. Caulk all the junctions up the wall 100 mm or 4 inches and over any existing expansion joints or cracks. Do 2 coats of the membrane around the perimeter. Do 2 infill coats, mixing in the aggregate in the final coat to create the slip-resistant surface. Now your balcony is watertight.